Okay, good morning. Welcome to our first lesson on reading Quran. It's going to be so fun and so excited, and you will learn a lot of things very quickly. And everybody will say, but this kid is really smart. Well, it is easy anyway. So what we'll do, we'll just learn a few letters at a time, and then we can make words. We can even say what those words mean. Let's do our first letter. The first letter looks like this, and we put a dot. This letter is called B. B. Let me write it again. It can be write different way. B. So what's important is the shape, and we put a B. It can be different. It's not really nice, but we can. Okay. So when we have a letter in Arabic, all letters will have a sound. The sound they have one of three sounds. The first one is like this. It means ba, like this. Ba. It can also be here. In this case, we say it's B. And it can also be like this. Let me do it. Like this. Like this. Like this. In this one, we call it Bu. So all letters in Arabic will be read with A, E, or U. Which one is the U? Of course, this is the one that is the U. Bu. Which one is the Ba? Of course, this one is the Ba. And then the B is this one. Okay? That's it, so simple. Let's do another letter to see how easy this thing is. The other letter we will do is like this. And this letter is called S. Then when we do this, of course, it becomes Sa. I can write it here also. And I do this, it will be C. And I can write it this way. And like this, it becomes Su. Su. So you remember then we had the Ba. We have here what? The Bu. Very good. And here we had the B. So we have here the Sa, the Ba, the C, the B, the Su, and the Bu. We know now two letters. Which one? Well, we know the Ba, B, and we know the S. We say Sa, Si, Su, Ba, Bi, Bu. Make it two letters. So it goes very fast. Let's try another one. The other one will be this one. It's written like this. We call that Mi, Ma, Mu, Mim, Ma, Mi, Mu, Mi. Ma, Mi, Mu, Mi. So now we have three letters. This is a time to tell you about something new. You say, we said that we have three sounds. You remember it's going to be A, E, U. Well, guess what? There is a fourth one, number 4. And how do we write it? We write it just like this. Small circle like this. So we can say Ba. And put this. In that case, it's not ba, it's not b, it's not boo. You say just b. B. S. S. It's not si, it's not su, it's not sa, it's going to be s. And same thing for this one. If we put this, it's going to be like m. It's not me, not ma, not mu, m. So if we already write what we have, we know we have the b. B. We have this guy here, and we have this guy. So if I lose this, it's going to be b. We know that. And this one, let me use my small thing here. S. Bis. So it is not bc, it's not bisa, it's not bisu, it's bis. And here I can put here and becomes bismi. Bismi. B. S. And then me. Bismi. So we know 3 letters and we already know a first word, but let's write it correctly. Because since we are beginners, we don't make it too complicated. Let me show you. We say we have B. So Arabic, we connect the letters together. I did not connect them, so you are not confused or so it does not look complicated, but we can do this. You see, they are stick together, they follow each other, they are connected. And this one, which is actually the same as this one. See how we wrote it before. But here, we're going to make it follow by another letter. Because here, it's not followed by anybody. So we write it this way. But let's say it is followed by this. This is a meme. If it's followed by this, it's a meme. Okay? That's why we could say this, and me. This me. This me. And we learn the small circle, very, very important. It's going to come so many times, this small circle here. So here we say bismi. Next time we'll say what it means, because everything has a meaning. Bismi. So we know our first word, bismi. Now let's do a few more letters and we stop. So the letter we're going to do is called like this. It's called alif. It's just a line like this, alif. Sometimes make it nice. Oops, we do it this way. Like this. Alif. Here also it can be a, e, or u. So this is u. Something else to notice also is this alif. It comes with a friend all the time. That goes with him all the time. What does the friend look like? If I have my alif like this, the friend is like this. Yeah. And then I can say a. I can say u. Oops. U like this. Or I can say E. When I have the E, if it's an E, the companion, the friend will come here. Okay, it will go over there. So we take it out. And we bring it right here. And then we can put the I. It becomes E. So the alif comes with a friend, and you see what it looks like. And then the friend will help the alif, so we can say A, we can say E, and we can say U. Okay? So that's what we have now. We have this, B, we have S, we have M, we have alif. Oh, we are making progress. Already 4. Wow. Well, let's get another one. We call this like this. We call it lam. Guess what? The lam also will have la, li, lu. La, li, lu. Okay? That's la. This is li. And this is lu. Okay? This is lu. La, li, lu. I can take these two guys and say, you know what? I'm going to put you together. You look like to be good friends. So I'm going to put you together. Which means I have an alif and I have a lam. Alif and a lam. Now, I can say A on the alif, U on the lam, becomes alu. I can put here A on both, so it becomes ala. I can also just put it here, become ali. You see how I can change it and change how it is said. And this one is read al, because we have, remember the small circle we talk about, where it is not la, it's not li, it's not lu, it is l, al. And al in Arabic actually it means the mother, the car, the garden, the house, the road, the sea. That's called al in Arabic. Al. So let's stop here together today, and we will have another short lesson like this. So please review this one. After all, it was not that difficult, and you are doing fine.